NBA 2K24 and I'm getting this error. Error code is 4b538e50. So what's happening with the NBA 2K? Are the servers down? When the maintenance will be going to end? All the latest details from NBA 2K24, all the details. Let's check it out. Can't connect to NBA 2K24 servers again. And what does people have to say about it? Well, let's check it out, the latest update. Well, here you can see guys, this fellow is reporting 4 minutes ago, NBA 2K24 servers are down. I need my money back. I spent $400 and can't play NBA 2K24 on day 2. Unacceptable. Can't connect to NBA 2K24 servers again. Fix the servers, they are bad enough. Servers down already. 2K servers down. So you see the point guys, many people are reporting, but it's not just that. Here you can see this is a particular error code. We are talking about 4b538e50. This is the error code which is very weird. Many people are reporting that they are encountering this error code. Now what does this error code exactly means? Let me show you guys. Now this error code exactly means that there is an online connection server related issue. You can't do anything about it particularly apart from trying restarting your network, Wi-Fi and all that, but doesn't really work for many people because here you can see tons and tons of people are reporting that they can't able to connect to the servers, and so this is primarily the server issue on their side. The error code 4b538e50. There are tons and tons of people reporting. So what's happening with the NBA 2K? So do they got any update? Well, let's check it out, the 2K support. What's the current server status, when they will be going to fix it? There is a problem with your connection to our online services. Please visit the status for up-to-date information. So what's really going on with NBA 2K24? Here you can see onto the down detector, we have got like 1879 outage reports, which is a quite a serious issue. So you see the point, NBA 2K servers are facing some kind of a issue as of right now. Servers are down. I need my money back. I spent $400 and can't play NBA 2K24 on day 2. Unacceptable. So do they got any update? Well, let's check it out, the 2K support Twitter official page. Well, here you can see guys, we have got some updates, but well, the updates are quite old as of 2022. Let's check it out, the NBA 2K page. Well, right over here we got the September 8 update. NBA 2K24 is officially live. So as far as I can see guys, NBA 2K servers are facing the issues and they are increasing. Right now 2000 outage reports, which is growing crazy. Just check this out, right here into the United States, it's down. And the worst part is NBA 2K, their Twitter official page and all that, they didn't have provided any information about it. So once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.